Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can easily buy crypto on Moonpay with Apple Pay. So let's quickly dive into it. For you to be able to buy crypto on Moonpay with Apple Pay, you have to open your Moonpay app and log into your account. So on the home screen, tap buy, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, then enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency. So when selecting the payment methods, make sure you choose the Apple Pay as your payment method. Enter your crypto wallet address from Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet that supports the coin. Then make sure you review your other details, check the wallet address, amount, and the fee. Make sure you confirm the pay with the Apple Pay by using your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode. So wait for Moonpay to process your payment, then check the wallet to confirm the crypto has arrived, and that's it. So make sure your Apple Pay is already set up on your iPhone before starting, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.